Hi guys. Una bele. Una do guys. Me I can't delete everything when my children download. When my children download for this phone. Me I can't delete them. My people, enough is enough. Enough is enough, my people. Now my phone, oh, my children they download something from my phone. The only man when he married be agapu for house. Oh, when I am we go show woman when they still pay a bright price. When they accept to be a yes, akuna kuna. Or that fit be a gear. Tie women. We know that fit be a gear. We or that fit be a gear. Now, two questions I want to ask you. Please, guys, give me love and like on this video and share with love. Good afternoon, my lovers. My people, make una ask Odafik Biagia, aka Odafe widow. Semi, you not be semi, or Wokan is a widow. Yet he may semi or walking is a widow because in your wune. Do they feel me? So, my people, make una ask we when they talk, say, so far where Sharon when he mama carry con Europe. When he busy other mothers, then Nigeria, they are picking they come Europe, go suffer for them. She, when he come Europe, then when he come Europe, go do black, do white, do yellow, do pink. They not go put the frustration on their mama. Then they go social media. Call the talks, they build house for mama. Make una ask we and his wife whether they not build house for their mama. Upon the Biagia when they do for this abroad. Sharon not build that way, mama. If you ask where Sharon build by, and mama money join. Sharon buy before Sharon born. Now in mama house, now she day. Ask Biagia, aka Owoko Bewe, what your mama do for her when the mama te deserve. She do akuna plus kinder get. To come out and put her builders for her. Why he be say una when he be say when he suppose the question in mama say all your mates when he stay Italy wanna gather come they get Italy paper. Your mates when he come Germany they get Germany paper. You know if you go answer your mama question your mama way but the reason why you taking yeke now two flats you they built for 13 years. Women in you one don't say about mock me, I can't so look at my mock me. Or my yak board way. Or my yak board way. I need a panel look by yak board way. But still, by yak bushwork, you know why? Oh, yes, you want me. He wants to. Please give me love and like, guys, and share with love. Good afternoon. Good morning, oh, thank you, guys. Oh, yes, you want me. Ni share no my body, edging winner. Come, we school your own mama put you. Which school your mama put you? Your mama put you for school. Now you come Europe, come meet one, then meet one. I don't blame you. I blame the woman that have no choice. When they call you husband, when you know if you rich. To come back like you need to get all it takes for a woman where you never bought before to get married to. But you, although if na shabby woman, when a woman where you never see do akuna according to her speech, she not go accept you. Yes. Because if you want married to Kumba when he dead man, when he be say, don't they give him a belly right from Nigeria. If not be donation, we for not know what it that they call bride price. To get poor woman money for woman heads. If I never pay bride price, and you know why I have it when you go baby get belly association. Baby get belly to go big to glory. Social media can come. Where they'll come donate money, say, Wamio, ya namu go jog or Sahia Pungbe. And Frank was your motivational speaker that make it work. Whomever where the women na yati kwe we ata wuri eri yo po ma cho even yari gwe yo to we you we baze boni we you I love you hero we ma oni Horo we lost marriage. Na mana no we you. Ama bege pisho. Awa ashwering kaka. Ama bege pisho nu ya no. Te bose o. Te dose o. To lo kunu ro ni bose o. To fio ya no e wo fia o. Uzio yo. Ama e. Hey, we come. What be the reason? Please give me love and like and share this video. What be the reason why your wife? What did your wife mama do for her? When she take build that for your mama? Which school your mama put on? When he take build that for your mama? Una when he supposed go question on her mama? For pre-guna, because for me, my mama no carry me call Europe come to Akuna Kuna. Now you they talk say you say Sharon no enjoy Europe. You know you they blame me, mama. You blame your mama one or two when you gather to the Akuna Kuna for road work. Now question they ask. Hey, you blame your mama, say all your mates, one pikin they give the paper. 2 years, they go Nigeria. 3 years they work, not be you where they do everything from God chance where you rent, where you build, na donation, begging. You don't question I say what's the shame in me we not money me ogia we not the yeke who man knows what tani. We are blame okwo. Okwo. Not by the Nigeria re. Don't worry ni wa ni sure mighty where we. What do your mama not fit do? They question now. Do they question her? Do not fear. Good afternoon, my lover. Please give me love and like. Do not fear. When I'm here, I have nobody now. I have children of nobodies. They don't know when to talk. They don't know when to address issue. They don't have respect. Who does that? If you not kiss your mama when you do what you na mama no fit do, more na give her that compliment. Amazing of woe. By a way, bore. Sharon was with her mother. They live in this area. They're in good relationship. So what is your business? Say she suffer. When ma suffer? Bubu yeke. When ma suffer? Ishwe ragma mu gwadok bene nik biaga with her hair. Good afternoon, my love. Please give me love and like. Bubu yeke. Your mama not dey life when you take po. Ishwe reva. Buwere ye poor. The only woman when you do akuna kuna they demonstrate how she take do akuna kuna for television. Thank you, Sophia, my love. The only woman you do akuna kuna. All the words your children go grow come it time. Come see as you take do akuna kuna. Are you not ashamed of it? And you they tell Sharon, come. Now you they talk. Sharon not do akuna kuna, my lovers. Imagine where ta confirm making a big akia. Imagine where tagging a big akia. Anything where we they talk, who gasiano, the Egiragmo to defend it. And if we talk, me and I stay Denmark. I not tell una say na igbe akia. Me and I go to mag big akia. Hello, biole igbe akia. That they do for Denmark. No biole akuna kuna. That they do for Norway. Me and I stay one house for Denmark. In my way. Oh yeah, big akia. Wa am proof ni ata. Wa mwere. Mo na go bring proof when I say or stay ye Denmark o. Ona to big akia o. Why am we proof re? Why am we proof re? Mo na go bring proof. Okay? So Sharon not do akuna kuna. Now only Enogie wife. There maybe they for the Europe is Enogie wife saying we or that widow. He say they say he wife say we Sharon do akuna kuna for all the Europe country. Sharon not do anything I wanna not hear from my mouth. They talk am, not be me. Sharon not talk am, okay? Sharon not do akuna kuna. Just that say, oh, woman, mama. Jealousy. Our proud mom make us understand. If you don't see, yes, I don't see Sharon for Denmark. No be no way. I see her for Denmark. No be no way. We stay the same house, Eki house, for Denmark. Yes. Yes. So may we talk am the way it be. May we talk am the way it be. I will stay the same house. I not talk say imagine ya big akia. Imagine big akia na ya piene o. Now only we put marry akuna put for house. Only we your body big akia yo wa. Salopo na ejok na ori na rig big akia yo wa na tash about okugbe sweet na ori big akia. All these our women when they call they talk anyhow. They feel say that they talk they are real. Una not just better thing to be real. Now those days when it be say I'm your who came your konoma big akia. Okay ah. Cannot you go, cannot feel the boy no better pa they are all be akia but okay we or dafe or okay we do a widow. Yokba or accept we a big akia. Now unless you want to accept say she be a kuna me me make bomb vena. Una don't ever see woman when it tells my house. When you see they talk about a kuna, they talk as if they do a kuna. Una don't ever see reason, although woman when they not marry with their money, now so it be. So men out there, if you want women to get respect for, because men when you not use money marry, many men when woman they put for us, now it be a woman will go to it, feed you. So me not go to that length of a me who use my money marry man. God for not big bag, I not get money to marry man. Now let bag they do a share true. Now let bag they carry money give man. Yes. So we now question me go ask your pupu yeke when it be akuna. If they blame Mama Sharon, say Mama Sharon suffer is supposed to be nurse. Come, pupu yeke. Okay, you not supposed to be nurse. Now you it be agia feet. Abi, you know so your hand not good, you're not fine for handwriting. For you to go blame your mama, say why he not put you for school of nurse? Yes, now why he not put you for school of nurse? When he allow you to call you to contact pole, wana ariye mwebae. Abi, now only she want, only her mama and children. Now he suppose, now only Sharon mama, they suppose call mama nurse. Your own mama, the mama nurse no go fit her as a name. Abi, now only mama Sharon, now he qualify to put to her pikin to be educated instead of to do akuna. Abi, your own mama, that name called mama graduate, mama daughter, mama nurse, everything where una get shame. Do you people have shame in this world? Please, Sharon have never come to the hair to say she don't do akuna. We stay one house. I never do akuna for my life. Okay? Now ya pime ramoto. Me imave piano biowe ama weti me gwa akuna. Odoni mare na mi agwa bienana. Yi me piali ni ne yama. Hello? Anytime ya na mi rose a social media obi jore wo be owoke wi. Enyo enya fa no po wa akuna. Wari e imave no agree with akuna yake wa gbe ni aye ma. Iye fokpa ogwa akuna no ko tedore. No, you sanke to make you a man feel way beneath women. A yoria webo do big agia. Una they bring shame to una self. They tell the world say na una call Europe issue one mu wa je webo do big agia. What pa do gba do tedo. Owo ke wi ni soropa o do big agia wo tedo. Manike mama re do gbe. Our own mother is responsible. Omamwe Maria webo do big agia. Ishi mama big agia. Our mama no do akuna. Talk less na pikin where they born go do akuna. Ijore wa woke wi. Okpa ishi ya ma responsible. Neri ya vishi ya mu adia webo. Zemi ya do because ya bi okwa bi ote. Na do ri eku egiyan. Ana kuyan yo ware. Do ya big agia be webo. Mani kwo be ro teto. Mama redo big agia, especially moi. Yes, me Maria webo do big agia. In case wa address a big agia ni representer, wa ari measure. Me una no add me join among the akuna when he come Europe come to. I never experienced that for my life. Condition when the old woman to do akuna kuna. May know me in the mighty name of Jesus. May know you in the mighty name of Jesus. No trap, not the do akuna. So you see all these yearly traits. Where their mama not supposed to be called a mama nurse. Now only Mama Sharon. Mama Sharon even good oh. Good afternoon, miracles at all. Mama Sharon even good oh. She don't give Sharon to trolley to come do double, triple, ikbiagia. Now make her fit buy house for abroad. Tell me where we wife fit use her own too. Come on to flag when they go convert naira to. Oh my yeah, completed. Now only kinder gets. She don't take complete time. So if they say your mama call Europe, you not gonna give you to trolley. A 50,000 will pay me. Also, I had deposit you go one my sister. So that failure, una suppose they put her for una mama. Not be mother when he born common just 2 children. 2 children. O Maria we bodo mu kono biore okono enegbe. O mamio dona gbuwe yegbe because on enwe okono no rogodo obie. You dey feel am? Okono rogodo. Woman when it does mass normally. Now woman when it does mass na dey born. Now let this Europe because he say man never marry woman go dey talk about belle anagun one aju ye belle. To choose all women to before when we they grow they come. You they do call cheap. They date. If you love the woman character, you go marry him. Now, men know they do call cheap. Now belle, once they don't give you belle before they'll find out. Say you don't get character. And they don't get what they do. Now women that they put all the faults on. Imagine man when you not check on woman. Whether it's good for her to go as a wife. They blame single mother. No gwa okudugu. Okudugu ana huoru waya. Okudugu ofia ona beluwa. You get why? You get why? Una they see learned people when they give them a belly. Una not see portable. I tell engage woman. You give them a belly. No. Now so me know if you date woman not suit you, you let her go. No. All those baby get belly when God go use that paper, when the paper not go reach your hands, they go give you belly before they go not say you don't get character. Now only Europe. And they go say Europe may not stay as man. Man when you date woman. All because of your benefits. You not look at whether she good for you enough to marry. You go give her belly, you go the see error. And you now she no get character. Abi, and you are innocent. You are innocent. Abi, during the time when you tell they use your AK, they do what you go buy you. You not use rubber. You not remove her, make a kid no enter. You not use her sink. You they tell us if you get Bella go marry you. Bella enter you the brief story. Abi, Ogu must to buwa type of a we. Now I no blame a we oh. Why I go blame a we? Everywhere the be say he give him a Bella. Or some say go say he be a woman. He be a woman when he be say he marry man when he don't get picky when he don't get paper. Man when he don't get picky when he don't get life. No, and my baby no ya no o kwaka be pio ko ye be pie ne. Auto why mo kwana pok be ashi until omo wana pio be ashi na ke pio be asho. You understand? So now come they talk. They talk. Abi, if not be social media, we. What do you don't do for your own pikin? You don't bring your own pikin when you in Nigeria. Your pikin when you in Nigeria. In Europe no go, you no go for asking. Your own pikin when you in Nigeria, no PM for odo. Europe no go good for asking. Which one you don't fit to? What have you done for your own pikin? Your own mama when you dey sing, you want the name. Iyo. What did he do for you? Which luck he give you? I gonna say pikin a blessing. Now blessing when if na government they take care of him. You are not working. It's a blessing if na government they take care of him. As far as they not be you, they go work 5 o'clock. They take care of pikin. It's a blessing to you. Born as much as you want. BOA, Aquaroy. It's a blessing. God has blessed me. There is no one you have worked to rent apartment to put in your roof. You don't pay bills. You are just there carrying pikin to school. Me go carry pikin, go school, I'll go back to work. Carry pikin from school, come back to cook. Your own a blessing because you be obey way. You know the work to pay bills. Why you not go be blessing to you? It will be a blessing. How we should wake up 5 o'clock? Government not they support you. You go, you not go, you not go. You we have me you go. She debere, you are welcome. I do not go to talk when I go fix it now. Oh, now normal, the best. Oh, not the best. At least I did with my wife. I get wife. If na money they take they marry, you will feel marry we. You will not feel marry, rent apartment, pack to repute. Now they blame Mama Sharon. When Mama Sharon when you do it your own mama we no fit to. Your own mama no fit to. Ah, whoa. See friendship. I tell you, say anybody when we follow two friends, do not live long. See wife now, see what in the talk. He said now with Sharon. Now you got to do akuna. Meaning all the friends when they when they call out una friends. Now akuna I tell they look una now. Avi be a was say me matter where you see be a and I be. When I see him, many we or that we don't now. All una friends, all your wife friend akuna. Now una they tell us, please guys give me love and like. All your wife friends, they are all akuna kuna igbeagia. So tell me why I won't call the jealous of your fans. When it be say your fans, they be igbeagia. Your wife, but if they don't buy before now call they tell us. Your wife friends, all of them they are igbeagia. Everything around you now, there is no decency, there is no responsibility, there is nothing good that around you. Why would they be jealous of you? We did I told you I want to be a friend to Akuna Kuna? Akuna Kuna, there are discussions of Akuna Kuna that they discuss if they become friends. So I don't want to be Akuna Kuna. I don't want to be Akuna Kuna. I don't need you people. I don't need you people. Because it depends on the set of people you mingle with. Now you take know their position. Now you take be decent. If you want to marry men, any women, you know, any woman when come men, don't marry a woman, any woman when you don't come live video saying na yes akuna kuna. Don't marry her. Choose a wife, tell look I'm not so disgrace. Shame, fine, now they give him. The character of Akuna Kuna, she they process her for the social media. So when I don't see the character of Akuna Kuna, why yeah? Why Sheba? Because me, the one way you go, they make me the shame pass. Me on my not get le far. Oh, what we love video where I don't first do Akuna Kuna. Me can't big agiane. Oh man, big tawi big biaka. You say people when you not celebrate and when you do birthday, all of them they show care. We good they buy you. Who not celebrate time? Not better pass you when you celebrate time for birthday. Come they talk down ROIP. Who not celebrate time? Not better pass. Who not be a friend? Then they talk about him. Is it not better than rather than you when you celebrate him? Go celebrate ROIP. You celebrate two things. You celebrate on a birthday. You was the first person to announce that you was waiting to be the first to announce it. Now you they celebrate or you go celebrate the living. You go celebrate to dog by you are the one. Yes. So you go better man will not show your love when person take life. After you dog by, You can't they show what you they show so. It's a shame. You are just telling all your fans that once they don't buy now, you will come out to tell them their life story, to tell the world their past life. More than not follow and do if you don't want to be judged. When you buy, avoid the will. But if you know why want to be bad, now if you want to address a we, aka or Daffy Beagia. Imae, how man will go marry a woman when you don't do akuna for all Europe? For all Europe. Uwe river. Wherever Alukbobo, Bay, Awa Lukbobo, Awa Wanona, na Bay, Wamwokwa. Eh? Mona know they waka lost. For another people matter. There are things you will talk. Since I call this media, then you make one say. I never come mats. Don't tell any had the bunky back where. Where's what they'll use against me? No. Nobody don't get words where they'll use against me. And I repeat, I'm not born for another man. Okay? Now the man when I born for, now I won't marry. I still stand by it. Okay? Say I said the man when I first born for it. Bye. Or fianku. Ima kave piano biove. Ima change eva. When he hear we got change eva. Awa. He change. No fianku ya de imoto. You dey feel me? I never bring any man to says meet my baby papa so I don't talk rich. Now this one I born for. Now woman they talk with born for. Anyone when I show, anything when I tell, I take it. You take it. Oh yes. So if you not say me and you first do akuna, I beg come expose me. I not remember the year when me do akuna. It might be agate. I beg if you not say na me and you come out with your face so me una not go arrange call. Me una not go arrange call. Can't take call. Reface. Okay? So nobody go make big biakia. Oh, that big biakia. Jesus, thank you, my love. Oh, David be a gear. Akuna husband. You always do tell mama, Pride Muku. I don't friend 500 men. You say I friends. Uma we iya big be a gear. And your wife don't friend million. If I feel friend 500 according to you, your wife don't friend 500 because woman when they do akuna a day that they carry 200. Then they carry 200. Then they carry 500. And we normally, if really Sharon are your friend, you don't suppose don't come at. You don't suppose come at by now. When they saga everything, they talk, no waiting, they're not supposed to talk. Now this time, when I suppose they talk with you, now they talk. When person lost your picky. Uwanomamia Moriju Wamagbelu Wawa. When you request the live video. Una when they carry shame and disgrace, go give una mama. Una mama not buy una nuwa buy agbore nuwa fiangu. Now girl when you know them media they do artists. Or now mama won't buy. Abi. Wow. Wow. E we will work be. Thank God that time when you toast me I not grieve for you. Thank God. That time when you toast me, I not grieve for you. I for the regret time now. The way people they talk, say you not qualify. Say na mistake. It take get picky for you. Why those men when women they carry by mistake? Ah, I blame people oh. He won't carry baby 30, no carry the one we get level. Ona ya mo bewe no carry piene. O bewe no rock me. Well, a mother have no tea, not even only buy me. Oh, but not do the boss as if you're not. Buy me stash where you are coming. My life, river. Oh, Mary. Oh, Ariave Ogumoto, my sister. Ariave, Taria, Ariave, Ogumoto, Ariave Ogumoto. And the Nerun with the authority of the Most High God. Waja Ariave, or Dono Massive at Mona. Who can you me? He bought daughter now or does or swimmer or swore. Egbu wa ve women na me we Oswo end with Oswo. How can a civilized man and a civilized woman be couple? How they want to get sense? They are presenting and the painful parts. They want to come in and they go come together. Do azu or do afu leg biya. Oh, ika inu wa nebe no ma eguna. Kume inewi. Wa ajak man ya be uga se suki. Uga se suki. Esuki. Ugu sota ya gban ya be onu na re. Ta to body ya gban ya be egwe mi u ya re. Because some man qualify, man live a life agbon no re na. O man live the same people. A life is done, a life is done. A we re agbon no re na my people. A life is done. Ariabe oguri agbon my brother. Ogariana of few ene. Ogariana of few Tari agbon yabe ineru no ogusua. Ugu copy and paste napa wu was a pony. No one me will copy and paste. That was a pomelo to okay. If you are training where the only man no dear weapon not to get 5,000 euro. That blends. What a bumper. Oh, what do get mono man egg benishing a magbewa? No pure mono enegbe. Only on motere on your body man or motere to tagwaka. Cause any of no motere, I'm against it. Ogyo a wheelbarrow pusher. Ogyo walk back while motopuwa. Anato. Now your husband, Anato, and I'm your on a red bosom or a bottle. Oh, una autopowe. Anatopo me to one and we meet to one. And a walking bubuya, a walking with wherever. Ruta will argue me to one. How much me to at least you ever know where see me. Oh, good. Oh, gureva, at least a very masotere. On your baba no when I say ye we. Oh, if on your ba a position your bona say ye. Ori mao, or magi mao, or omeva, moponya, I get a maneshe. Areva, arone, weti makutu. Wow, wow. The only man alone is Sankwan. Oh, when we are oga telekwa, and we let you to go. It's on my way. He went back last and check up. Last and check up. It be a jawatine. Oh, how we be a big bag. Well, while not another po, another demonstrates. New Bala, we a big bag out to Europe. He might be a boyfriend or my workouts. There is no good in the life with you. I mean, come, women. Come tell me, say, now, only man when you deal with, now you don't friends. Come and tell me, say, now, only man when you deal with. Now you don't date. Now, no go agree. Now, only my own at the sea. Only my own. Now, at the sea. Shameless people. Imagine, I do not be a lover. Lover, when you be safe for back tomorrow, you go bring una secrets. Tell me, this one are friends. And people that don't celebrate her when she was alive. They are not talking. I will not celebrate me when I tell life. And don't judge me when I die. If not 3 days now you live for life, I will call you. I will take everything around you. Eh, bo. I'm a way taking say. Then it be back money. You get why? Nonsense. One issue, one more jawebo. For una to question una mama. Una no question una mama. Una no question una mama. Una issue one no matter no have school no one a trolley. O ma be mu wari we bona be go ni be line bo. We be aja no wa be ogugwa no. O mu wa aja we bona wa do kun akie. But wa ye tie issue wa o nu wa do shisho ma be. Uhun ya so. Wa o wa last and shake up. Tetu wa agbo you wa mu e meji wi yan gbo ye. Tu wa agbo you wa. O ma ri kun agbe. Emi sunu da iso mo. Se mi iso mo nu wa ki, emi na wu wa nu wa wo ma e. Ona mi o be no to po mo tere ge ni no ku. E wa e na wa e. Ne mi na ibaba o na wa na tanu wa. Be nu wa ya tanu wa holo ori. Now be the right time to judge her, to add to her pains, to her to what she's going through? Where is the mother figure in you people? Where is the feelings of a mother in you people? Where is the conscience? Where is the humans? Let me speak English. Last and check up. Why so? If you don't appreciate your husband, now you can't toast him. Okay? I don't care. Now she will not quarrel with. Have been on our husbands. Now go. Una go home. Omari gbegwagbe. Wamagwe una no free follow and cry. Leave her alone. Let her mom, her precious daughter, in peace. Okay? Go and blame your mother. We was here. A fancy way donate you one way. We wait 2 months. A bear, but it's February. Am I hearing good news? Thank you, my love. Please give me love and like. Somebody lost her pikin. Una the judge her. And the young you said you get they live with her mama before she gave birth. Then the house where she buy, her mama money day. They are in good relationship. One issue wa meba when wa. Ona muwa dia we bodori po. Una the talk so gele suffer. We ma suffer. Also su when you muwa ya mwepo. Also su when we ya mwepo. Ijwe bari we school minu ga ebe. Uma ya blame you wa. Ijare. Wa latianu wa do go we na come and shots. That is only what people and it's very obvious that people see they can't we and many people to wise to be meaningful. We are saga me emani me wak bane. Ave beggar have no choice. You don't see the statement he used on me. Memory now say we have benefits of be me ne beneficial and agbewi. We mave we now say, what am I going to benefit from you? Ni mave we now say, a page in grow up here, group where we have a guest in him, have a presenter in meet one, no re one mass squad, ne re one mass squad, ne grow mehi. Eh? No ejo ere, all for followers. No, anywhere I go, my lovers come with me. Any page I stay, my lovers come with me. So get this height. I go and get a job. Making one arena. Look at my working clothes. Look at it in the bed. He win a go ya reje. He win a ray. I'm go ya reje. Wow. I've come back from the job for today. Nonsense with children. Now today my last one go back to school. You see, only me want this holiday. I was carrying shy to school, carrying shy to work. Sometimes I'll still pay for person to help me. Sometimes my beloved husband, my baby papa, my husband is the father of my children, will help me. Oh wow. And you are there at home. And the carry pikin go school. And it's a job. It's a privilege. You are doing all. No sense. Now enemy of progress or enemy of Sharon, now we are in wife. Make it one of them. Even the time when my guy there around, and they go work, he make it easy. They look picking and go work. To God be the glory. They go back to kindergarten, patrolling. But now 9:30 they take the starts. Instead of 8, from next 2 weeks, they go start from 8. I'll be next week, I don't know. They will lawa. Before this, as I manage the time schedule with my children reach for this holiday, I'm your mama. Imagine he needs to carry pikin go work. Do you think it's easy to carry pikin go work? Wow. I dey carry pikin go school. I dey carry pikin go school, and he's not ashamed of himself. Now, the people like this won't come to talk to me. Imagine 2 people, they stay house. They carry pikin go school. They will come on live video. Come talk to moi. A fan base or boo a beggar. I have a fan base. I have a fan base. They love me. So who don't love you, not give you money, not love you now. They give me money, they support. The giver is a giver. Anybody when they give money genuinely for this media, they help genuinely. Any platform where they call for help, he go give. Anybody where you don't help for any other platform, they give una money to saga person. He's not happy. Do you hear me? Anybody when they give only presenter money, if they give una money to, even though una can't say na help, if they pay una, you don't let her talk direct. To saga people. Because a giver, they give anywhere they see who need help. So all those also that say that they pay una to saga is truth. It's truth. They can not be give that they give una. They pay you people to saga people. And not be person like moi. When the judge send you come, ima buelawa. Uwa ya akwolo kuriye. Me we have to pay when na. They won't come for your hand more. Me na wak bane. Me na bane. If you they take a don't priest don't mumu mata. You know if you they near my territory. Wa soon. Wa be me. Wa ohwa. We are be me ya wu. Ite gbe yagbon. Wa lie to lie. Now maybe that presenter when he go to do I know they had picture. Are they gay? Nonsense. Say your have manishi and failing now. They are yet talking. Imagine they judge a mother. Where the girl and papa? Where the papa? Where the papa? All the fault now women. 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 Even my way not rich man. Women. Any small thing women. Any small thing where mama. Any small thing where mama. Where papa? Drag it, papa. But drag it, right? Have never seen any platform that drag the father of the care. When I know they drag the father of the care, nobody don't talk about the papa. Where is papa? Where the girl, papa? Why? What do women do now? Who walk bell for pistol rain? You get why? Don't mind them, I love us all over the world. I just came back from work. Me, I go bath. You know, for me, I walk over my people. You walk me bearing una. Ishe, the last one we are here before my guy come out. You know, don't go walk. It take 2 days crank. I want here crank is here. Abuja is the tattoo. Nonsense. All those also don't get life contract, they don't get problem. We will never get. Me, I never read. People they feel say me get belle. I don't get belle. No. If I get belle, I deceive you now. Don't take my word again. Get belle for who? Hey, get belle for who? For what? My maid don't get life contracts. They don't buy us. Imewa. The belle ogbuwa. Why je va? So say I can't change since I get belle. Which we are for the con. Not be ole belle. Not be ole. Because I want born Jesus. So my lovers all over the world. I want everything now. Not be lie. Oh. Everything women. Women. Where is mama? Where is mama? Where is papa? Where the girl papa? Oh, when we want talk buwa. And you know what me avec boy, mu wa me avec be we want talk buwa. Where is mama? Where is mama? Where is papa? Where is papa? Here Sharon wo. Woje. Oh, vie que sunu da vie. Where are Era go, era no ma ve pa mo na wepo. Isha kebe to mo ate wepo. Beni je mo eri wepo ni era go eto wa go na gbigbe akori ye school wo. Beni je mo eri wepo ni era sige school wo. Sise okonoria wepo mewe a school for abroad na free. If you say you won't go to school, government will train you. On my job or job you no need to be life. Igbe akise pa ba encourage e. Ye me ba encourage gbe we school yan so. Era me ba ti e go bi ne gbigbe agaya je school. Happy to area who my power will not agree or time no. Don't make sure that nonsense again. No, not try am. Yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. I say, Mama, sit trap. You know how much to bring person to Europe? Do you know how much to bring somebody to Europe? If Mama bring out to Europe, if Papa train her for the Europe for school. We are not talk about that one. Who wafia wabia da na hu sa no ba na gera hu me to hu ne. E ave gba era ve tie. No train at the school. And my then they call Mama. And this multi, Mama, waiting. If Mama buy, Papa no go take care of picking. Now make me not put this matter for head. Cause if man they two women, not body, they call Papa, Mama, who wafia. Oh wow, last and check up. No, Mama. Where is Mama? Where is Mama? He Mama. Call him Papa. Never ni share bo mu share bo so woman le hospital to be or power hospital work here. Sisi ya me mu na okba mako ne. Okba mako no ko no ba the ticket ya mi wa ya mako re. Mama mo gba ni lawe po. Ona people give fashion. Wa blame ije. Cause ije dey we bo the way babysitter. Oko kake ya wu. Abi ije ko koke ya wu. Ori agbodo wu le lomo. Ugwa agugu no ugwa. Ike wa. Ugwa agugu na ugwa. O mekena kokomose. Yes. Mekena kokomose. Ike where the trap rich. It be una problem. Hey Mama. Hey Mama. Eh o mo no wa kini o pa wa koko na do fi yan lawe bo. Awa le so amo ko re be gujo. Won vi wa, won to gbo vi wa. Wa ni tai wa ya. No mu sha nya won matemira. Nonsense. Imagine, ije mu ere we bo egwigwe ije tano. Ijugwa no mu wa je we bo komo ebe, umamie. Una loto to gugu ye gbe lipia. Autonomu were. Ugwa ma dira na miega ya no mo ma le we po mata no nu we. Ha we iya ta me vera no to move ye la we bo. Wa. Ijo na beg ya fiana. Mama ma we na yari uchi na ye ma be. Umushe una muje Sharon re. Uwe mato ma eti okun ne ho ma muwe. We no mama. We ba bia no bia ewi. Uma eti okun no mati enene. Da lo ga no roi. Emi ya no we ta lo le lokoni no te okun ma so ni. Wa bagmo. Agmo ma ejo se gbo ni we una beg ana donate nu e. Kwani je no ma make e pie. Abi ivie bewe. We ba bia no bia. We na egu eti ogun ne mere do ti ogun ne. How dare you? With your character, I wish no pure. With your character, I wish no pure. Responsible mother. Iche veni me wate. Obie na cafe. Forma. Why ti o Japan iche mi to gbe ju egbe ra kinu wa. Ma mpope stand ya la ota la chali ye ke la chave la wa la chave gani. Wa wa. Obie na cafe. Any man when they talk to your mama, anybody mama, na yeye mama get better. Cannot train them. And that mother in law not deserve to respect. No wonder people you cannot get respect for every mama. No wonder on that teacher be agia. And I'm not going to be sure. Because so much no when or say when I are usually no summer, no matter what. Are usually no ma. Usually no many issue. The end is your way. Okay, good up. We good for us, but we do not character. Who get better now? We don't see him. We don't need to ask. Abiona, ovio mano mama no. Ovio mano mama. No. Iya wono mawowa mawote. Ewi mawowa. Osie ube mawote. O eni oso nu uje ma gie ya do agewe. Uwe ture. Ogovara. Ya do agewe nu ya zuwa e. Ebe no kwa nure no magba. You are not a presenter, you should be a comedian. No azuwa yo zuwa refiege kia. Gie yo. Then no present ye me no ta no present point e latia wo. Ha me no mawo. Me mi akmorera we wow. Apiona. Don't mind them. No, they are called the fear that king of Saga. I don't want to kill I won't do game with Saga. The feel they go say I'll come Saga you. Fatima. Get those Saga we married to Marema. Munere my follow up. Nonsense. Please, guys, give me love and like if you come across. If you love that woman, you love woman, you are a woman, please don't take what they are saying. They're not mother, no matter how they no more as say. My mother see they here for a picky when it 9 years back. No matter when no more as say. Ijo mweki angogo no neru no vie ewu. They feel me. There is no mother that will be happy when we talk about negi umeni o. Go wu. Tete ma tete ro wa try wa gaje gbu wa sun. Tete ro ga le gbu wa sun. Nonsense. God bless all mothers all over the world. Una work no day if una no better una pikin. If you want to so wa, ayi mu wa uno gbomo. If you want to uno gbise. And of your honey mag gbise ye bi so wa ne. Oso wa ne. Why of your honey uno gbise? Why soon? Why if you meme? If you bear with you no. Have okunagi donate to the public here and I'll bear with no. No, you know, please, guys, don't mind them. When I'm not listening, that woman is innocent. Things can happen. Okay? If your mama never know, your pikin never buy your mama, she can lock. On a first. And it will not be our portion in the mighty name of Jesus. God bless all my viewers all over the world. If you come across this video, please share and thumbs up and follow my page. You get why.